this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. Coming in this nice green coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.8 liter engine and has front-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice license plate spot right there. We do have little black fenders. And moving to the front real quick, we have that nice Hyundai logo. And taking a look in the back here, we do have plenty of cargo space, of course, and if you need more, you can always fold down these seats. We do have some storage with the spare tire as well. We have a 12-volt and little hooks all around, and we do get a nice little privacy screen. And taking a look in the back real quick, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black cloth and textured gray cloth in the middle here. And of course, if you don't need that extra person back, you also have 2 cup holders and some arm space. You do get plenty of door space as well with some nice silver accents. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space as well and that nice gray accents. And you do have your active eco right there and your light controls right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 91,764 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, your cruise controls right there, your steering modes, which are normal, sport, comfort, and so on and so forth, your trip reset, you have your voice and phone controls, mode, mute, volume, so on and so forth. We can see our distance to empty from here and what temperature is outside. Our gear shifts right there. 2 cup holders, parking brake, little storage cubby right there. Fair bit of storage right there as well. Storage right here and here as well. You have your aux, USB, 12-volt outlet, another 12-volt outlet. We have 2 heated front seats. Climate controls are right there. Traction control, hazards, radio, media, phone. You can see folder, scan, setup, menu, which you can go through, auto store, and so on and so forth. You of course get storage in the dash as well, and a nice sunglass holder right there. The stock number for this vehicle is GB81461A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.